Here's how to connect lights in Rust. Here are all the items you need to solar panels: one battery, one root combiner, one splitter, and one wire tool. Now get your solar panels and face them towards the sun. Now place the root combiner. Now grab your wire tool and wire the electric output to the root power 1. And now do the same on the other solar panel. Grab your battery and place it down. Get the combined power output and connect it to the power in. Now place your splitter and switch. Get the power output and connect it to the electric input on the switch. Get the output on the switch and connect it to the power in on the splitter. And now you can place your lights down. Get the power out 1 and connect it to the first light. Now on that same light, get the pass-through and wire that to the second light and repeat it on the last power in. Now turn the switch on. And that's how you set up lights in Rust. Now I'm going to show you, but using different batteries.
This server is sponsored by Knots2X. This server is action-packed with PvP and comes with its very own special features: 2x Gather and 2x Loot, a Instacraft and custom recyclers, a faster recycling, a 10-minute locked crate, 30-minute Brad timer. To join, the Discord link will be in the description.